Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. We're excited today because we've just finished painting the roll bar and it's dry and we're on the way now to go pick it up. We're going to be installing it today in the Jeep TJ, and we also have a brand new Smitty built soft top we're going to be installing over the roll bar today. So when you go see the roll bar, you're going to see the color that we're going to end up painting on the outside of the Jeep when it comes time for us to paint the Jeep. And I'm excited about the color because there's not any Jeeps around here that color that I know of, but I'm excited for you to see the color and tell me what you think about the color in the comments. Alright, here she is. Roll bar is Commando Green. That's the color we're going to go with the Jeep. And I think it actually looks really good. I'm going to like that color because there's not many in this area around that's that color. So I'll just get her loaded up. Well, here's what the roll bar looks like with the soft top on. I really like how clean it looks. Just a nice, clean looking setup. I love the painted look of the roll bar. Proud to have it back on. I still don't have my seat belts back in yet. That'll be soon. If I hit my head while I'm wheeling this thing, I'll be putting some pads back on it of some kind. My other pads was deteriorated so bad, that's why I took them off and decided to do the painted look on them. But if I bang my head, I will be putting some pads or something to cover this front part right here for me banging my head around on it. But in all honesty, I don't plan on wheeling it that hard. I do want to trail ride this thing. I don't want to be doing anything that would destroy it like you see on YouTube, but I do want to wheel it and enjoy it. Don't plan on just going strictly mud riding, but if there's a water hole between me and where I want to go, I will go across it. So really like this look. Let's look at the soft top we just put on. Here's the Smittybilt soft top we just put on. It was $203, tax and all. It was $220 shipped to my house. Love the way it looks. Give the Jeep a better look already, even with this terrible paint job. This soft top really has given it a better look. Well guys, that's gonna be a wrap on the video with JJ today. I have a lot more videos in store for this Jeep right here, and I want y'all to come along with me on this little journey. If you like these videos, please like and subscribe. It'll help the channel a lot, and remember to hit that bell notification that you'll get the notifications when I upload a new video. I'm liking what I'm seeing with the Jeep. I can see now that the Jeep's going to turn into something that I hope it would, something I'm not ashamed to drive around in. I was very careful when I showed you the insides a while ago not to show you all the insides, because there's other things that I've done that I'm wanting to make another video about, showing you everything that I've done to the Jeep up until now. Itemized list of parts I've replaced so far, and I've got a long way to go, and I've got more money to spend. So y'all just come along with me and we'll build this Jeep together, and we'll have a good time doing it. Thanks for watching.